I was considering learning how to command an army of robots for a long time. But questions like, will my art be as amazing? Will my art be still as valid? Will I still be as proud of my work? And most important, will I enjoy the process? And so on. Last year, Rania showed me the FabLab in Dundalk, and I've seen for the first time the army of robots they have. I timed this well with making another float for the St. Patrick's Day Parade in Dundalk and geared the design towards using the new tool. I used the St. Patrick's Day Dundalk Parade logo, a centerpiece of the new float for this year. This year's theme was Green Dream, and the brief was to have a fluffy, dreamy feel, which I think we accomplished using van insulation, which is made out of 100% recycled bottles, but it also doesn't go soggy because there's no water absorption, and it worked really, really well as a cloudy, fluffy feel. And this year we got to recreate them. And this is this year's float, the Green Dream. This is the Urban Green from last year, and this is the Bumblebee float. There she goes, setting sail. So today I discovered a new technique called overcutting. Watch me.